I just want to do an updated review here on my KVXMG slime green with black bevels. It's got the Floyd Rose Special. I've been playing the crap out of it since I got it, brand new. It's one piece, neck through, all their body. And it's got the maple neck, and it's got the slime green with the black binding literally going all the way around it. And this thing is insane. It's awesome. It's got the EMG 8185s in it, shark fin pearloid inlays. Honestly, it's made in India with this and it's got the laurel fretboard, which I don't know if you could see this, but dude, it's sick. It's an awesome design. It almost looks as if it's like raining this way down the guitar if you look up at it close. And it is just, it's a little bit harder than, like, it feels harder than rosewood does. I got rosewood on other guitars. That might even be laurel too. No, that's rosewood. See, the rosewood ones, like even on this one and a lot of the rosewood ones, are coming real splotchy, but that's more Les Paul-y, and this one's got a killer pattern on it, but that's not what I'm reviewing. It's just a comparison to see, because I look at on this laurel, I mean, it's got laurel because it's a common wood in India, and it's manufactured in Indian factories. The factories in India, the Jackson factory. And a lot of people don't really like the Floyd Rose Special because it's made out of a different material than stainless steel, but it is spot on. It's not eroding away. It does dive bombs and comes right back. This, you have to have it nice and tight, and then it starts to go loose as you play it. But other than that, you want to put it nice and tight, nice snug on the spinning here, on the screw. But yeah, that fretboard is just crazy. I know it probably looks cheap to other people, but the craftsmanship on this to me is just, it's insane. I mean, with the black binding, all I see is the white dots when I'm looking at it. I got the light shining on it pretty good right now, just to show up close, like, the craftsmanship. None of the frets are like sharp or anything like that. And I'll pick it up and play it here in a second, but I just want to show that radius and the craftsmanship is just amazing. And as I break this laurel in, I'm realizing it's like way tony. I mean, let's just put this down so you can check it out. It's got the normal Jackson headstock with the nice tuners, the chintzy tuners. I should have went a little more wound on that when I was doing that, but I replaced it recently. And you want to make sure you do that with these Jacksons, because with that E string being so close like that, you'll get a twangy and buzzy E. Mine's not buzzing right now, but you'll get a nice buzzy E if you don't, when you go to clamp your stuff down, if it's not just a little bit lower than that. So give it one extra whine, I recommend. But other than that, this whole neck through construction, like, is so cool. It is sick. It's got the active EMGs in it, and I ended up putting 2 holes in here just so I could access the springs way easier on the Floyd without tearing apart this 6 of these little tiny sensitive screws. Plus, I don't want to take away from the tone, so I just put 2 simple holes. Some other people do it. Some guitars come that way sometimes. But no, that's just really smooth, and I wanted to do another review on it because I think the last one I just kind of talked a lot too much in it, and I just wanted to let the guitar really speak for itself. and show you this Laurel fretboard up close, like how crazily cool designed it is. And the other ones I think are black, which is fantastic, but the other ones are black, which to me, a lot of Jacksons come in black, so you see that a lot. So honestly, I wanted to get this dime slime look on there, and when I seen Jackson was doing a run of these, I couldn't pass it up. And it's pretty much as you're gonna spend on a KB Pro as well, and when it's all said and done. But I love this guitar. It's phenomenal, man. Jackson did really great with this. And now I got my amp on, so I'll be able to show you. I'm running through a crate, just a simple crate, solid state distortion, with a little bit of chorus and reverb. And I just wanted to show the reactions, you get. I have the gain down really, really low. Honestly, because it's late at night. But if you turn that other so jazzy. A lot of people complain that their wave artist wasn't responsive, but it would send their stuff out of tune. But I think they were trying to stay in that low tuning without changing the spring. We are a few cents off now. tone speaks for itself. If you pick one up, if you're thinking about picking one up, go get it. Order it. Even thick ass, thick pickup. Gives it this chunky sound. And it's just beautiful and clean. I'm going to keep it quiet for the neighbors and call it a night, but that's my new review.